Hey guys, I got this used fan I picked up the other day. Needed a switch in it. I put a pull switch in it. The fan runs, but you got to spin the fan blades to get it to run. Usually that's a sign you got a bad capacitor. I'm going to show you how to put a capacitor in a fan. You can spin it and make it run. I think we need a fan capacitor. Let's put one on and see if we can fix it. You need to look on your capacitor. This one has got a 3 UF plus 5%. That's how much voltage, for what little I know about capacitors, that's how much voltage going into your fan. I went with a 3.5. That'll add more voltage to your motor, make it run a little faster. But if you go too high, it'll burn your windings up in your fan, and it'll make your fan run faster. Usually on a fan capacitor, your black wire is hot. Let's see if we're right. Now you need to take your voltmeter and find out which wire is hot. Short wire is hot. Now we got our fan all put back together. Let's see if it'll run on all speeds. There's high, medium, low, and off. I think we're good shape. Hey guys, thanks for watching.